Hi, I am from PC Error Detective, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a daily changing wallpaper in Windows 11, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. In the Settings window, select Personalization from the left-hand menu, then click on Background. Step 2. Under the Personalize Your Background section, click on the drop-down menu next to Personalize Your Background and select Slideshow instead of Picture. Step 3. For a slideshow, navigate to the folder, then select that folder. Step 4. Once the folder is selected, go to the Change Picture Every option and click on the drop-down menu. Set it to every day so Windows will automatically change your wallpaper daily. If you prefer, you can also select a shorter time interval to change the wallpaper more frequently. And that's it. Your wallpaper will now refresh automatically every day on your Windows 11 device. Thanks for watching. See you next time.